What's up, guys? Andrew here with Tech-related news, and today I wanted to bring you a short little video on something that I've been waiting for months. I have an article on my second monitor here. It says, Microsoft finally admits defeat, will bring start menu back in future Windows 8 update. This is the best news I've heard from Microsoft in a very long time. I know they just released Cortana, and they are, well, not released yet. Well, they're working on rolling out for most of their mobile platforms. And Windows 8.1 has been officially announced now. So now we can actually get officially information. And also, the start menu is coming back. This is the most exciting news I've heard like this entire month. When I had to move to I wanted to move to Windows 8 a couple months ago. Because I didn't want to use Windows 7 anymore. It was kind of annoying. And I was having stupid little bugs. My clock was off sometimes. And I still get it now. But I couldn't download things for some reason. My downloads were broken for a little bit. So now I like the... If you ever notice when you're moving a file or you're transferring a file from a hard drive or something, you get that little menu. I'll put it on the screen where it shows the rate of your transfer speed. And that's a very nice feature for Windows 8 in general. And that's why I wanted to switch over, but I couldn't. The one thing I've never clicked on this computer is the Metro UI. I never look at Metro. I never will click the Tile button and go launch an app from Tile. I either go to the search and search it directly or have the icon on my desktop. I never use Metro. Their whole purpose of Metro is, in light of a sense of failure. Like, I understand Metro on tablets and other devices like that, where you don't have a mouse and keyboard. But a computer that has a mouse and keyboard, you don't really need a tile-like system. Like, it works perfectly and almost beautifully now with the new Windows 8.1 update on the Windows Phone. Windows tiles look almost kind of nice now, and they look they don't look as bad as they used to. But on the desktop, I don't understand it, and especially with no start menu. That's the one reason why I never would change to Metro UI or Windows 8.1 is because I didn't want to deal with the tiles. And I've been avoiding it for a very long time, but this update, which will be coming out, I believe, April 8th, it'll be a Windows 8.1 update, will resurrect the start menu. And this is the best news I've ever heard. I love it. I'm so happy because I can't, and as this article says, it's backtracking the nightmarish interface that Windows 8 brings some of the times, and it's true. Like, Metro UI, what are you doing? And I also could imagine that another very big part of this is they want to bring back the start menu because a lot of the Windows XP users want to. I don't want to say they want to switch, but Microsoft is going to push them to switch. And I guess it makes Microsoft's arguments better. It makes Microsoft's argument better to Windows XP users. Say, hey, we have the start menu now. You can come over and you won't feel as alienated as before. Because I know personally, like, people in my family who have been, stone cold Microsoft users. They would buy a PC every year. Not every year, but they'd buy a PC every few years. And, they love Microsoft products. And especially Windows. And they had Windows XP. But, when they saw Windows 8, they're like, oh my god. And I've seen people, I've heard about people switching to Mac. And when you're a hardcore PC user or a hardcore Windows user, especially Windows XP, and you switch to a Mac, Microsoft, you gotta reevaluate your whole operating system when you're making your own users switch to a Mac. But I see now that Microsoft is trying to take steps to prevent a switch of a user over to another operating system, either Linux or even Mac, because I've taught people basic Linux distros that make Windows look very difficult, so it wouldn't be that hard of a stretch for people. So yeah, that's what I really wanted to talk about today. I want to thank you for watching. Please rate, like, and subscribe. And if you like these type of tech videos, I will continue to make them. And if you like gaming, I have a gaming channel as well. Just take a look at that link above on my channel art. So, yep, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Goodbye.